So, just a quick update because quite a lot of things happened actually. So this pot is a little bit like this container is a little bit, yeah, quite a lot of leaves and actually I'm gonna show you in a little bit how it looks from over there. But the radishes themselves are huge. Wait, actually, there is a train, but the radishes are pretty damn huge. They're about as big as a carrot, like as thick as a carrot. So, yeah, they're quite huge. Same with the lettuces; they're like bigger as a hand. Now these ones ain't, but I also removed a little bit of the leaves because I think they were kind of infected a little bit, but I just removed those leaves and I think they're fine. Oh, actually, this one is maybe a little bit affected. I know if it actually is, but I just the other ones were like kind of weird. But by the strawberries on the other hand, this one already turning a little bit red, which I think is a good sign. And these guys are getting like a centerpiece to their crop, and I think they're gonna do pretty damn fine. So in a couple of days, Wednesday, I will be harvesting the first couple of them. Then throughout the next week, I will do all of them, and then I will plant some beans in here. But now, I actually got a couple of more plots to work with. A lot more, actually. I'm gonna show them to you guys. To you, especially. So, you see this entire field I gotten. There were a lot of nettles and they were kind of frustrating and just, yeah, not nice, right? But there's gonna be a train, but yeah. So over here I planted two sweet potato plants. I think you can put them way closer, but we just got two of them, so I mean, we just gave them all the space they would imagine needing. I think you can actually get like two of them in like this, and like, but we just, we only bought two of them, and we just, yeah. So these are nice and sweet potato plants. They're very young. I like couple of days now, so they're quite young. This one is a little bit older, I think, as that one, but we just bought them on the same date. This one is a little bit big, a little bit smaller. And over here we got what's it? A rouge. I don't know really. Just like a orange pumpkin plant. Over here we have a butternut. A butternut, yes, a butternut. A butternut pumpkin plant, and I think I don't know what this is. If you know, right? If you know what this is and what I can do about it, please tell me, cause I don't know if it's dangerous or something. A leaf fell off, so yeah. But over here I have a yellow pumpkin plant. And over here, just again a butternut, but still with this kind of weird whitish leaf thingy on one of them. And over here, just a button again, but a slug ate like a small piece of it. Maybe because of a little bit of too much water at the end of the day. This one I think is pretty damn nice, but the lizard, yeah. But yeah, this one is also pretty damn nice. It's a yellow pumpkin. And over here we have a butternut again, but still, the butternut seem to have some white marks, which is pretty damn strange. But I don't know if it's normal, but it's kind of strange. This one is the other orange pumpkin plant, and this one is also pretty damn confident. The other one is a little bit more confident though, with the leaves standing like that. And over here they're a little bit more plump, but the fourth leaf about everywhere is starting to grow, so they will have quite a ton of leaves soon. So yeah, that's pretty much what happened. Now, like I had 4 days, like I had 2 days off of school because of some holiday things, kinda. And yeah, then weekend happened. Then I just had 4 days of just, like weekend-ish. So me and my grandpa just put all of this out and planted some other things there. And I think that's pretty damn nice. By the way, pumpkin plants are like huge because there are nettles in there, but still, they're probably gonna be quite a lot of roots down, very like 50 or like a meter or so, 50 centimeters or like a meter or so down, where we couldn't reach. But we hope, or like seeds from those plants, but we hope that because pumpkins are like vines that they're going to get out, like go over this, like capture all the light, like just like vines, right? We will probably I will probably have to just like, but would like do make them stop over here by cutting them, but yeah, we hope that I hope that they will just basically grab all the light and do not allow any more light for the needles to grow in. We still have quite a lot of needles over there under the trampoline, but so we won't have like we don't do stuff with needles anyway, but so these ones are growing very well, and yeah, pretty damn soon I'm gonna make a video about how to harvest them. I just pick them out of the ground, but I'm just gonna make a video about it. But yeah, I'm not gonna cover every time I harvest because I wanna harvest them when I actually go ahead and eat them to have the freshest ones over there. To have the freshest ones pulled out of the ground and eaten, yeah. So yeah, these ones are very damn nice. We'll go ahead and eat them pretty damn soon. They're about the size, like the biggest ones are about the size of the thickness of a carrot or so, but they will grow exponentially fast. No, literally exponentially fast, but they grow pretty damn fast over a short amount of time once the leaves have started to become very large. I at least have noticed, because this were they a week before, like this row is a week after planted, and if I don't know if you notice can notice the change in the thickness, but it's gotten quite a bit faster at becoming more thicker. And yeah, just we made some tea out of these guys. Not very, very successfully with the taste yet, but it was quite tasteful, a little bit. I will see you back in another episode, but for now, I will say I will just say it till next time, right? Bye.